Easy, easy. Shh, shh. Up you go now. That's a good horse. That's it, easy steps. Come on, sweetie, right up here. All strapped in nice and tight. Ooh. Here you go, drink up. Good girl.
Please proceed slowly through the main gate.
Next bay on the left. Thank you.
Welcome to the facility.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Steady, boy. That's a good force. Easy now. Easy now, easy. That's a good boy. Step right here. Step up, nice and easy. Good boy, right this way. All right, easy now. Right this way, you're safe here.
Easy now, you're doing very well.
Heart rate is stable at 36, and hydration is optimal. Vitals stable. Mobility analysis confirms full recovery. Certification approved.
Easy now, right here. That's it, steady on the scale. All right, easy step up. Good job. Just like that.
It's all right, easy now. We're almost there.
You're doing so well, sweetie. I'm showing a slight variance on the humidity sensor here. Yeah.
Let me adjust the setting. It should compensate immediately.
Check the thickness on this panel.
Looks consistent with the last batch. The grain is superb. The humidity levels in zone 3 are fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the flow regulators now.
Feel the grain right here. The brass hardware is polished by hand.
It's exquisite. Truly remarkable craftsmanship. Here is your purchase. Thank you for shopping with us.
They are beautiful. Thank you.
Enjoy your new shoe, sir.
I certainly will. Thank you.
From all of us here at the factory, thank you so much for watching and for your support.